He's marrying me. Tell them you marry me. Just joke. Dali na. Tell them na. He married me like tan. Dali mo na. Ito naman. Joke lang naman.
Ano yung tayo mo birthday cake? Hindi naman dati.
Huwag may nano yung camera. Sa mga Indiano, pagkasalita, ganun ang ganun. What they say?
You say you want to come here married? No. It's not.
I want to what?
For married to me.
Yeah. Yes. Hi, Pritz, I want the pineapple. Let's buy them something. You know, in the Philippines, when we visit someone's place, we always bring something. It's not good that you come with nothing. But if you don't have money, it's okay. But if you have, then buy something, di ba? What is this? Potato? Chico? Okay. Di ba hindi ko alam? Sorry naman. Don't bash me, Bakit? Porkit vlogger? Why people are like this, no? If you're a vlogger, you should know everything. No, it's not true. If you don't know something, you don't know. It's okay if you bash me if I don't know something. I'm not perfect. Bakit? Hindi ko naman sinabing honor ako, valedictorian ako nung high school. Kung kinlaim ko na valedictorian ako, okay lang. Di-bash niyo ako. From the very beginning naman, di ko naman, bubita naman ako, di ba? Honest naman ako, di ba? Kaya nga dinadaan ko sa landi yung mga aura, di ba? Magalandi ba ako sa professor ko nung college para maipasa yung mga kemerut ko kung matalino ako? Hindi. Nilandi ko nga, di ba? Pumayag naman, charis. Charot lang.